Greetings, dear viewers. Today I want to share with you some of the amazing secrets of financial success. Many of us dream of becoming rich, but do not know where to start and how to achieve this goal. In this video, I will show you some simple yet effective strategies that will help you become rich in a year. Many believe that wealth is the result of luck or inheritance. But in fact, this is the result of the right approach to finances and the ability to manage your money. I am sure that each of you can achieve financial success if you follow certain principles and strategies. In this video, we will look at important aspects such as the ability to plan your finances, investing, creating passive income, and much more. I will share with you my own experience and knowledge that helped me achieve financial independence. Financial success isn't just about money, it's about achieving your goals, providing for yourself and your family, and being able to help others. I believe that each of us deserves financial prosperity, and I hope that these secrets will help you achieve this goal. So let's start this exciting journey to financial success together. Chapter 1: Defining Financial Success. What it means and how to measure it. The definition of financial success can be individual and depends on the goals and priorities of each person. However, in a general sense, financial success can be defined as the achievement of financial independence and stability. One way to measure financial success is to achieve the financial goals you have set for yourself. These may be goals such as saving a certain amount of money, buying a home, providing education for children, or planning for retirement. When you achieve these goals, you can be considered financially successful. In addition, financial success can be measured by the level of financial stability. This means that you have enough funds to cover current expenses, as well as a reserve fund in case of unexpected situations. If you feel confident about your financial situation and aren't constantly stressed out about money, this could be a sign of financial success. In addition, financial success can be measured by the level of financial freedom. This means that you have the ability to make financial decisions based on your values and desires, rather than limitations. If you can afford the luxury of choice and control over your finances, this can be a sign of financial success. It is important to remember that financial success depends not only on the amount of money in your bank account, but also from achieving financial stability, freedom, and the ability to pursue your dreams and goals. Each person can define their own concept of financial success and measure it in accordance with their own values and priorities. Chapter 2: Financial Planning. How to create a budget and manage your expenses. Financial planning and budgeting are important tools for managing your finances and achieving your financial goals. Here are a few steps to help you create a budget and manage your expenses. 1. Define your financial goals. Before you start budgeting, decide what financial goals you want to achieve. This could be saving to buy a house, paying off debt, creating an emergency savings fund, etc. 2. Estimate your income. Determine your monthly income, including all sources of income such as salary, dividends, rent, etc. 3. Estimate your expenses. Make a list of all your expenses, including fixed expenses and variable expenses. Estimate how much you spend on each expense category. 4. Plan for the future. In addition to the monthly budget, it is also important to plan ahead. Consider creating an emergency savings, investment, or retirement fund. Set financial goals for the long term and develop a plan to achieve them. 1. Be flexible. Your budget can change over time, so be prepared to make changes to your plan. If you encounter unexpected expenses or changes in income, review your budget and make any necessary adjustments. Chapter 3: Investing. Key principles and strategies for achieving financial growth. Investing is the process of placing money in assets with the aim of making a profit in the future. Key principles and investment strategies for achieving financial growth include: 1. Portfolio diversity. The distribution of investments between various assets and instruments helps to reduce risks and increase potential returns. Investors can include stocks, bonds, real estate, commodities, and other assets in their portfolio. 2. Long-term. Investment should be considered as a long-term strategy. Markets may fluctuate in the short term, but they tend to rise over time. Therefore, it is important to remain calm and not react to short-term market fluctuations. 3. Regular contributions. Regular contributions to an investment portfolio help smooth out market fluctuations and reduce risk. Investors may consider auto-investing to put money into a portfolio on a regular basis. Chapter 4: Creating Passive Income. How to make money without working for it every day. Creating passive income is a process that allows you to earn money without requiring constant participation and work every day. Here are some ways that can help you achieve this goal. 1. Investments. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other financial instruments can generate passive income in the form of dividends, interest, or rent. 2. Building an online business. Running an online store, blog, YouTube channel, or other online business can generate revenue through advertising and affiliate programs. 3. Renting real estate. Renting out an apartment, house, or commercial property can generate a stable passive income. Chapter 5. Summing up. Financial success and wealth do not come instantly. It takes time, patience, and effort. Creating passive income is one of the key factors for financial success. Investments, businesses, and other passive income sources can help you make money without having to work for them every day. Education and skills play an important role in achieving financial success. Learning about finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and more can help you make more informed financial decisions. Financial management and budgeting are an integral part of financial success. Knowing how to plan and control your finances will help you reach your financial goals. It is important to have clear financial goals and a strategy to achieve them. Determine exactly what you want to achieve and develop an action plan for it. Develop your financial skills and knowledge. Be prepared to take risks and don't be afraid to invest. Investments can be risky, but they can also bring high returns. It is important to conduct research and make informed decisions.